based upon the color. It is also a balanced binary search tree. A balanced binary search tree with the following properties. This you should, this is not easy like other trees. This is little bit, we have to be very careful in this actually. There are many conditions to check. So every node is colored red or black. Root should be always black. So whenever they give a list of numbers, the first node if you take, that should be black only. And every leaf will be that, you know, it is a nil node and it's colored black. And this is main criteria. If a node is red, then its children should be black only. If a node is red, children should be black. And another one, every simple path from the node to the descendant leaf will contain the same number of black nodes. It is called as black height of X. Black height. Oh, that is the meaning. Black height. It is not black minus height, black height. Should be underscore, will be fine if you put black height. Okay. So I'll tell you about this property here. Root node is black. And if a children is red, no, parent is red, its children should be black. Parent red, this should be black. Okay. And when you calculate the path from the root node to the leaf, till the leaf, the number of black nodes should be equal. For example, if I calculate from here, it is, I think here I have done. So height is 4. Normal height, I think you know to calculate. For 26, height will be 1, 2, 3, 4 height. How to calculate the black height? Black height for this node is, this is 1 till the leaf. How many black are there? 1, 2. When you come like this, it is 2. This is 1, this is 1, 2. When you come like this way, this is 1, this is 2. Similarly, take from 17, it is 1, 1 only. Black height is 1. Okay. And next come to the, for 26, I'll tell you first. 26, anywhere. This side is also, when you travel to this side is also 2. When you travel like this side is also 2. Similarly, when you travel like this also, how many nodes? Black nodes, 1 and 2. Okay. And when I travel like this also, it is 2 only. 1, 2. Similarly, when I travel like this, it is from 26, it is 1, 2. Similarly, when I travel like this also, it is 1, 2. When I travel like this way also, it is 1, 2. So, for 26, my black height is always 2. Now, when you take 30, your black height is 1 only. There is only one node. When you take 38 also, your black height is 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So this is how which you want to, I think, I removed it. Okay. This is how I have, you have to check it out. So when you count here, it will be this. So when you take 47, it is 1 from here, as well as here also it is only 1. When you take 50 also, black height is only 1. Black node is only 1. So from wherever you travel, it will be same. For 47, if you travel to this way, and this way or this way to this way also it is 1. Similarly for 26, all are 1. So this is how you have to calculate the black height. So whenever you insert means, normally in binary search tree you will be you will be looking into both the sides, properties, whether it is being satisfied or not. Even when you do avial rotation also, I told you, you have to check with the balance factor, uh, whether it is equal or not. So same similar concept only here also, you have to check if it is a parent is red means it should be black, children should be black. Similarly the height should be equal. Okay, so these are all the things which we are going to see it one by one. And another main condition is, if it is an empty tree, create the black root node and insert the new leaf node as always red. So root node, when you take the first number it will be black, when you take the next leaf node it will be red. Okay, and after that once you insert the root node you have to go like this. If, see, this you have to listen carefully one more time. If you go through only, you will understand it more clearly. That also I'll tell you. If its parent is black, see, if the, for this condition I'm telling, first node take it as root black node. Second node when you take, put it, you will be anyway all the nodes whichever you insert it instantly, it will be as a leaf node only, but that should be in red in color. Okay, red, it should be in red. Okay, after inserting the red node, you have to check this red's parent. If it is, this is what case 1 and case 2. If it is black, then it is okay. You can leave the tree and check for other properties. If the parent is red, sometimes, see, you have inserted the leaf node as red and its parent is also red. So if both are red means, that is leaf node is red, parent is also red means, you have to check if black or absent sibling means you can rotate and recolor. If red sibling, you have to recolor and check. So this I will show you with the example, then only I can make you more clear. If I tell you, you will not understand it. So now see here, this is the tree already given. Assume that this tree is already given. If this is not given, you have to create. If maybe create in the sense, if 11 is the first node they have given means, you have to keep 11 as your black node. Then next comes 2 means you have to insert 2 in the, compared to 11 binary search tree property. 2 is lesser, so it will come here only. But it will be, when 2 is inserted, it will be inserted as a red node only. Red node only. Okay, red color. When it is red color, when it is inserted, you have to check for its parent. If it is black means okay, leave it. Next number comes, so you have to insert as the red node. So likewise only you have to keep on going. But now this tree is already given and they are asking us to insert 4. So when 4 we have to insert, what all we have to change, I'll tell you. So when this is already given tree, now I am inserting 4. 4 when I insert, I have, for simplification, I have marked this as X. So 4 I have inserted. This is my red node, leaf node as well as red node. So you know where 4 should come. You'll be checking 11, it should be lesser. Then 2, 4 should be coming in the right side. Compared to 7, 4 is lesser, it should come in the left side. Compared to 5, 4 is lesser, it is coming in the left side. So insertion, I think you know already. You have done with the insertion part. So now X is taken as the red node now. When X is taken as the red node, now you have to check all the properties of whatever I told it now. So once when you insert, as I told you here, once when you insert a leaf node as red, check for its parent. Okay, we will check for the parent now. So 4's parent is 5 actually. 4's parent is 5. If the parent is black means, you can leave it. You can go for the next option. You can leave it and you can come out itself and go for the next insertion. If the parent is black, if 5 is black means you need not worry about it. But our case, your 5 is red. What we should do, keep that in mind. If your 5 is red, if your parent is red, that is the node which you insert, its parent is red means you have to check for 2 things. One is check the sibling. Sibling means this is the sibling. Parents, that is I can tell you it is here it is called as an uncle. Okay, it is an uncle of 4. That is the meaning. Sibling of 5. Parents sibling. Okay, keep that in mind. If your insertion node is red, check its parent. Check its parent. Parent is black means then no worries. If parent is red means you have to check the siblings. Sibling means if 4's parent is 5, check its sibling. Sibling is 8. That is what you are marking as Y. Why? Because this is for our notation, for our easy understanding. So this is the node which you have inserted. This is the node, its uncle. And if this, here also there are 2 conditions. When it is sibling, if it is parent node is red, check the siblings. In siblings also 2 condition. What is the condition is, if when you check the sibling, if it is black, if the sibling is black, or if there is no sibling also, absent, that is called as absent. No sibling also means just rotate and recolor. That is recolor and rotate. Okay, rotate either left or right. That we will see it later. Otherwise, if red sibling, if the sibling is red, you need not rotate, just recolor alone. So now for our example, you see here, red, we have inserted 4. Its parent is red. It is not black. Black means we would have ended, but its parent is red. Check for the sibling, that is uncle. It's called as 4's uncle. So check for the sibling. When the sibling is checked, if it is black or absent means you have to do 2 options, rotate and recolor. Else, if it is red means just recolor alone. Okay, recolor and you have to check the properties. That is always you have to check the properties. So recoloring means what all you have to recolor is this part alone. This part alone you have to recolor. Change the red to black and black to red. That's all. So 5 will become 5 and 8 will become black, and 7 will become red. Okay, so now see here. So that's what explanation is here. Now with this X inserted, I have done all the process. Now I have, since I have recolored, this has become red now, right? So once again I have to check its parent. Okay, so that is to satisfy the property. Now I am checking its parent. Its parent is again red. So I have to check its sibling. If the parent is red, I have to check the sibling. So when I check the siblings, sibling is black. Sibling is black means it is, you can tell that it is done. So what you have, if black or absent sibling, yeah, you know, when it parent is black only it is done. But here parent is red, check its sibling. Red sibling means just we have done the recoloring here, right? Recoloring is alone enough, but here the sibling is black. So you have to rotate as well as recolor. Both has to be done. So rotation has to be done this side. This side only you have to rotate where the X is moving. So now this you have rotated. I think you know the left, you know the rotation. 7 will go here. 2 will come the left, down of 2, down left of 7. And 7's right will hold 8. But 2's, this one you know, this I have already taught you. You look into the AVL tree. When this is zigzag, first make it into single line. Then after that the rotation is there. So rotation is AVL rotation only. So now it is rotated. After rotating, again you have to check, because now X has moved here now. Once rotating with X, 7 and 2 is only rotated now. So now this is your X part now. So now check again for X. Again its parent is red. Sibling, again it is black. Y. Black. Sibling I have marked as Y, and which one I am processing, checking node alone, I am keeping it as X. That's all. So parent is red and sibling is again black. So once again rotate. Okay. So once again rotate. Rotation can be done in any way. It's not the thing you have to rotate correctly this side, not like that. I have told you already. Rotation is as per your choice, how you rotate. If the particular property is satisfied, you can stop with that. So here the rotation, since this side is having so many things, the rotation can be done in the right side. Why? Because so that this will be balanced. So you first change the colors. When it is a black sibling, I told you change the color of this both, because this only will be changing the color where the sibling is there. So change its color. This is black. This is again, this is red. Change the color of 7 and 11, and then you rotate it with this side. Okay. When you rotate it, you are getting some other tree. So again, you have to check the conditions, whether all the root node is black, correct? So here actually root node was red. So to change the condition only, we made the root node as black. We have rotated to the right side because I told you root node should be black. In this case, it is correct. But in this case, root node has become 11. So to make it black, you can rotate to this side, 7 will come up. So now the root node is black actually. Now check, all the red children are having black nodes. Okay, black nodes, red children, black nodes, right. Okay. And then again you have to check the path from the upper node. It has one black node. From this side it has one black node. From this side also it has one black node. From this side also one black node. From all the height is one black node only. Understood? This is the way you have to insert. So actually red black tree will take a lot of time to complete. Normally what you have to do is, if you are writing it as a bigger question all, I'll tell you not to, in choice you can leave red black tree, because it will take a lot of time to find out. Okay, just know the concept alone, that is enough. Okay, so this is what this you can refer, say similar to your AVL tree only, the